O journalism na okusua no. Why na chere wade? At least respect leaders. Penny. I'm saying so because ultimately, so maybe Canada, Japan, nice one. You will not sit down and keep quiet. You will talk. Now, no, you know where Juma. You are causing mess, Poto. And yet, Magrahap, and a bad one thing. But you know, say what you are doing is wrong in your journalism. Because of a host program. How dare say host our baby kasam ubusa say what do you have for us? It means you yourself you don't even know what you were doing. Huh? When did God send you? Man of God, God bless you. Apostle Ohenikasi said, speak out, my brother. Yeah, I will speak. Man of God, I will speak. Because it's about time this nonsense must stop in Ghana here. Who made you a judge? What Frobi? Nyame Juma on afre ye. So for ye more Ken City. Do we work with net too? Huh? Read the Bible. Bible so go for no go aba no. In the midnight when he slept, obonu for no go go aba. Na owura ni mu kobusa nkwari kobusa so owura. We saw you planting the right seed. But bad ones are coming out. Should we go and uproot it? And the owner said, no, leave it for the day of harvest. Or else you uproot the good ones and the bad ones. One said now you think that you are uprooting the bad ones. But now you are doing it to the point that you are joining even the good ones together. And uprooting the good ones. Huh? Are you a judge over the church? And who are you in Ghana here? Are you a judge? Have God made you a lawyer for the church? Huh? Are you the one to show who is right and who is wrong? Who born you? Who gave you that mandate? Now Bible no ka unimu. Bible no unimu. Who anointed you for that? Who gave you that mandate? And I'm asking you today. When the mouse had no authority, no say you can talk anyhow. More politicians, more what can we? He does not respect. Man of God, I thank you. He does not respect at all. Say penny will fear what it we are. And Kaba to not say when we say video ya air trendy queen. What can pass yourself? Me can natural. Bible say, answer a fool of his foolishness, so that he may not think that he is wise. Go and read Proverbs 26 verse 5. Who gave you that mandate, Anan? You have stepped on the toes of our fathers, and we need to talk sense to you. Huh? You are going beyond your level. And y'all say, Anan. The other day, when Herod thought he was doing good, and people started praising him, praising him, no. Now Herod the dream said, oh, to me, but let me tell you, as he exalted himself and became proud, God hit him one time and he died. And the manager said, and your man and I'm proud, Mitchell. One, because of Kennedy Japonti, you think, sir, Kennedy Tawachi. And Kennedy acquired to say, Ghana Hano Obian Kanasa. If you wonder what he's doing is right or wrong, because of Osika. One, and you think, sir, he stand behind you. Therefore, you can do whatever you want to do. Huh? Men catch your Solomon Korean Solomon in a hunya dear. Nina Japadi Mpono. One day he lost it. Who was powerful like Nebuchadnezzar? The image Daniel saw, he was the head of it. But one day, Nebuchadnezzar turned to be an animal and he landed in the bush. God said, Nebuchadnezzar, I'm using you to punish my people Israel. But know that after you are finished punishing them, I will deal with you because I am a jealous God. So me catch them ne to the seat for. So when you're very careful, you may think Sasani Amoka, oh ya shall say, so bet my bonibi and communia baby. So more to me and communia. You are not dealing with man, or you are dealing with God. And do you want to tell me, say, Sam and answer no? Any demon breaker? I want to know. All that they are saying is true. Huh? Do you think what that they are saying is true? Any demon breaker never can say, this guy, this one of these actors, so about 4 man the car. Or man the car and name me here. But here's the case that the guy came out by saying, say, me man we cry year ago and son of Onya Kano. So do you want to tell me, say, all that these guys are saying is true? So we could do such of way in a year and come free. Huh? Who gave you that mandate? Listen, Massa. Mama, you must say, can't that amo. Say, oh, can be a Japan which you can do anything. One, Mokasa, you have by the word to me. We have the political influence. Party and the back up. Can you say, now buy this so? And son of Momoba. And it's a political influence in a more yes, you can go down one day and become nobody in this nation. Don't think say you have political influence. So you can base on that and misbehave and talk stupidly to the church. Don't think about that. Huh? Don't think say you have political influence. So you can say whatever that you want. Because I buy a back up now, buy a cup. Let me tell you, even Rollins Impo, I know you soldier Mempono, and then Onumpono, your friend the past president. Rollins Impo, and then Onumpono, Namamu Egu. Huh? Namamu Egu. So don't think say your party is in power. So you can use that as an advantage because you have something that you hide behind and talk rubbish. Asofo bi na be yedini yankasa Ghana ha sanka asofo nyina kan ho boma ye wana. Why will you people stand? Then you sit down and insult Archbishop and insult the men of God, the fathers of the land who born you because of your Net2 program and coming to tell them that they are fools. Who gave you that mandate? Who made you a judge over these men of God? Kofi Kwaku Annan, I'm asking you. Who made you a judge over the men of God? Why don't you leave it to God for God to do things himself? Are you a judge? When did God speak to you? When did you hear from God that you were saying that Onyame Suma said, "But catch us off." And Onyame catch us be dia so for atem. Nyame catch us be dia so for atem. Nyame catch us be catch us so be yankwasiafo. And Nyame catch us be catch us for say asofo Jimmy. Huh? What do you people think? I like the quotation. God bless you. He said, "Man of connect me, please. Let me see if I can do that." Barado Zakabaya. Huh? Okay, let me connect you, man of God. Approved. I add you. Who gave you that mandate? Kofi Kwaku Annan. Who gave you that mandate? Man of God.
Osavo.
Aja.
I know, sir, definitely. Omuni abusuya ewo fie. Sir, o abusuya na wo pani wo fie a. Wo mie wa ntie pani. No matter how it is. Wo mpagya wa ntie pani. Even our culture. Yeah, culture, Ghanaian culture. Actually, you say yemfa didie ma yem panifo. What you say?
Panifo, yes.
Yeah. Baby, as I saw for you, what would bomb ding would tip pain pony or say? Why not winning it pain, say? Yes, of young pa. Gawuni with pain, must say. Now, what me be one no akaset yan yamen crop for say? I mean, it is only penny will fear no new be or tuneful.
Only will be a tuneful. So it's true.
Only will be a tuneful. And when you didn't know, and yeah.
Mm.
Can say what this was saying me adwuma be was say one mere.
So
Because was say one mere because nyame ma won so me yetemuafo e wo yeso. Onyame ma won so me yetemuafo wo yeso. Onyame anka so obo na adwuma ade ma nipa no. Wo say say yema sa enkrofo no po nyina mom nyini na twabre no so a.
Mom nyini. Yeah.
Mom nyini. Wonu a bo adwuma no. Wo say yema ni mom nyini.
Yeah.
How dare you? When you need that bank, coffee and when you need that bank,
when you need that
bank, when you need it. That bank about politics, that bank about even your first journalism. With journalism now, that bank will pay mu. If you do send when you woman, I can't tell you when you need your grandpa or Nakura could do BBC Kramponumpo when they were just to walk up now.
What just to hustle what just to walk
on now. Jabia Ben Hour. Now, who be cassette any pan, Yamen Crawford. May the Lord have mercy on him. Yamin wouldn't a crowd on him, yes. Because what did you bro? What do you see? How? One Bible to the beer. I saw for no, a young mommy and Kaya Dream.
Yeah,
and yes, a beer. Yantimin Casso, a military on Yamika Nehemiah and Nehemiah. Frankrante crown on some, Fakundia crown on some. Not for some should crown on some. Na koya adwuma no eduba bia e wose ye den krantane akode ejina koya adwuma no but ye did say ye adwen say ye nyame be nyame wanya adwuma sa o. God will never act until we invite him to what act. What do you say? Yes, ko onu kwakwa na an woto na wo ka ni wo ka no sabio we nyame adwuma no ye ni ye fa ne say constitution bia wo Ghana as ye mfa obi wo nyame adwuma mu say ye mfa obi wo nyame adwuma mu aya be fa yeah, Osuru Nyame na fra yen. Ne wo fra yen wo ko kwan say obu ya tan na wo wuni ya kwan say obu oni paten. What else? Wuni kwan. Eti ni ade wo ya no metawachi. Na sofu atawachi doso. I stand behind you as the apostle of grace. And I'm not a say your moja kran ye be twa so wo de omo ye na. Ye be moja be twa so. Am o minor na the Christmas man and found ye fra. Na one was shas ye nyina wo ye nyina no. Erade Nyankopon be nsa be ka won baako.
Yes.
Erade ni nsa be ka won baako. Shas ye bia won ma waduane, won ma sika so won nya no. Erade ni nsa be ka won baako. Me tie completely. I've shared the video to so many people. That is why I'm about to be. Erade ni nsa be ka won. God bless you. God bless you. What do you say? When a year the church is one sorry to say here.
The church. That is my point. When they in the church. Or Tinyamini Dabe. Kofi Kwakuana Tinyamini Dabe.
Or so for Adnasari Brava Bobi. Adnasari Brava Bonwabobi. Adnasari Nebra Bonwabobi. Adnasari Brava
Bonwabobi.
Otabel Brava Bonwabobi. One will be on my Ghana. Jamie. On my Ghana, Christianity is 71%. What you say? 71%. 71%. No. You can infrastructures on mine war. Your mind Ghana war. A piece of which a party ya or mine politician need pain and what me be sa. You can university can see what Ghana ha. Politician need ban what me can see university. But and sorry I war on my Ghana mu. Yan ya bia njuma. Ba aban mu a. Oye census efa omo ya employ mu adwuma mu a. A Christopher employed nipa more than a buying kasa adwuma nipa wa employ mu.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Yeah.
A Christopher employed nipa more than a buying nipa wa employ mu. Could you imagine say when him say and the lockdown about ya band ya sorry no. When a lot of people are losing some jobs.
Yeah.
And you are sitting there rubbish. What you want to
economy conform.
What do you say? Economy conform. Who can say what brother one can say Sebio me infrastructure politicians and not net two and as a company be what Ghana Hawaii sorry. Tell me. Company better to me a because a chain and sorry I would why. But near say and none say On no feel say when you be political grounds said, you have just only 4 years or 8 years to live. What you say? 4 years or 8 years. And I will be there. So one generation go see for you. The issue of life is na da be na betra so akosi afebol. Untimi nkyira so. Eti etwase wo hwe ne kasa yie because he is dealing with the fire on the nyamija and edi agro. What else? Kyira me hospital ahodo a wo Ghana ha. Hospitals. Ahodo a wo Ghana ha. Eye aban etimi aye echen and sorry. Kyira me. And sorry kasia hospital kasia wa na eye and sorry. What do you say? Ghana. So what person we ye bribi afa so for ho a sebi owo ye wade wo ye bribi na eye den na wo kan niam nyina afa wo so de atem de eba e wo mu say ebia ye nyina wo ye nanso wo ye ho obi a wo ne nanso but nanso na ye wo no onyame ma wo se be ye judge e wo nipa nanso eso what else onyame ma wo kwan sa na wa be gina be didi panifu atem e be didi panifu atem Oya ka say you can say you are airport one no me sure no my God.
Archbishop wants some no can. Archbishop has some no can.
Me sure no me sure no na wo bra wa bo. Bra papa we ya bo. Enipa wa mom destiny etimi agina bra bo so abo bra. Wo enipa say na wo hwe omo. Wo sika na mo so wo no enipa say na mo hwe mo wiase.
Yeah.
Enipa say ana me ma wa brochire ya ma wa sa enipa say na wo hwe on wiase a enu nti no wo timi gina kasa office obi anya wo. Enipa say na mo hwe omo. I feel pity for them what they are doing. I feel pity for their life. Very pity for them. What you are saying? Very pity for them. But I am requesting all men of God to come together. Let's start this demonstration and let them know. Say, God is with us. And let them know, say, and you need an employer. Let me tell you one thing. Say, Sabio, a Juma software. Or no, I'm a journalist. What makes me? What software? A Juma Yano. What makes me? Can you cancel the person money? Wouldn't nipa episode mukuwa nyamin for your form so a moment to be normal.
I do.
You know it. Do you know it? And what you are, Montana baby, because someone your platform, you are talking anyhow. You are talking anyhow. Onyama
for sure. Now, almost said, Omo program, no. Nipa show is about 50,000 plus, and I show. So they think say because me believe say another thing say because he get more people to watch him in Ghana. But one thing say I didn't know you was because me tell you say party be back area na me party krana I will go and watch them. Me tell you say confirm me come ha na go help confirm. It one man show no interest o bu nyina na wo afa.
Dabi osofo say see me kra me gina
ha. Asofo ka wudi o matem I will come once. Some of them are watching you. So don't take the number for the number to deceive you.
They are watching you. Who has a CI? Sabio, comedian Biba. That's about Facebook. Comedian Biba Facebook. Now, that doesn't mean that you are in support of the comedian. The fact that we are watching I waste time in the midnight to watch them every day. It doesn't mean I'm part of you. Yeah. Are they church members? Because your friend is saying a social media. And so of course you know that word no.
Yeah, that's
I'm so that word also a journalist on kind of a social media.
Media, yeah.
The people that are
everybody can come there.
It's social. So anybody who has an access to internet, that person can watch him.
Yeah.
Anybody who has access to internet, that person can watch him. So see, baby, I'm saying, my best fitemu na me wa me ya me ka you fitemu. So I'm watching you from my friends say fitemu.
That's true. Yeah.
What I say? Me show film magazine. What I say? The reason is say a social media and a mobile. It me want access to internet, and because I have access to internet, I have the ability to watch you. It doesn't mean say me watch you, no, me a church member. Debbie, I watch you because and you're my work, maybe I'm in I am in one.
Yeah.
And then you also and you're can answer it.
Everyone say your man can everyone abawom. And your man can be a pressure. So be what we can say. I'm a pressure.
I'm a pressure. Yes, it's true.
Yeah,
yeah.
It doesn't mean that people that are watching him are supporting him. Meaning, carry on. We are behind you. I came on to tell you one or two things, sir. We are supporting you vividly. Request for all men of God to understand, sir. We are ready. We are ready to speak out. The silence has been so much, and silence is a bigger voice. One of the things you must understand. One of the big voice is a silence, and silence means also what consent. One thing I do need to say, Yajiatun, Yanin to mo. Yanin to me.
That's true.
Yanin to me. So I encourage you, fire it. Anytime I see you over there, I am going to be on the line with you. We'll fire it. Even when it will lose my life for Christianity, so that we can stand. I believe our God that we serve.
God bless you, man of God. So network, you know.
Atalia, sorry, Bible said, Atalia, yes, David Asifo, it took a prophet of God to stand, and God spoke to him to finish the life of Atalia. What yes. Yes. So the issue is you can't just rise up and insult any man of God anyhow. What do you say? Only penny will fear. Wabusu ya penny. When I call insult, wabusu ya penny. Oh, wabeti me jina insult wabusu ya penny. Are you telling me say wabusu ya penny na wano onyam from soda? Onyam from soda.
Na say ada na oye mistake Canada Japan did na tem say omu you fools omu you stupid no say no kan osu opacho.
And I don't know reply. Oman is scattered the anidi. Oman is scattered the anidi. It's not being so many scattered the anidi. That is all. That means fire. I will still come on the line. Information, I will still come on the line. Bishop Bakobi Frame. Let me discuss. I'm coming on the line right now. I'm coming back.
Okay.
Fire, keep on fire.
God bless you. God bless you.
Yeah.
Okay. God bless you. I don't know when you it may be that someone may not understand us, but we will not sit down. We will not sit down in Ghana here for OBF and taking it for. I tell you, you need to understand it. Ghana, you check. As of when you call Obian Kasa, Archbishop Mekasa, Bishop Angelas Emeka, and not just say the more year no, and the cause of COVID-19. Look at the way you have insulted men of God in Ghana here. Some of you are so ungrateful to the point that you have even forgotten what Ghana men of God have done for you. Insulting men of God, insulting pastors, and insulting the church. Abraham, and then one and you who gave you the mandate? So who say I say I can't say Mr. Me can't trust it. Now Mr. Me can't trust it. Be very careful. Be very careful. Be very, 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 very careful. Be very careful, Anna. Be very careful. You can't just be sitting down and insulting men of God like that. There's one Nigerian man of God on the line, Bishop Emmanuel Yakubu, all the way from Nigeria. He is a friend of mine. He don't understand what we are saying because we are saying in our local language. Bishop Yakubu, all that we are trying to say is there is a certain guy in Ghana here, and he's insulting because I know you all the way from Nigeria. And anytime these great men of God are celebrating their birthdays, I know you, though you are a Nigerian, but you always post their birthday and wish them birthday celebrations. These are the men of God that this guy is insulting, that they are fools. They are stupid. That is all that we are discussing. Say, Anam, my memo video in channel. Ebia na obi a wunya access in video. No copy pages so be but let me show you the video. Let me show some of you the video. Neti emunsa. Yenti.
Sodom and Gomorrah on my Ghana did that. Sodom and Gomorrah, I bet Ghana so long ago.
The video no.
Na mo asof na mo tete na I say muhu za. Na the Onyankopon se men kan kire me say, mo asof na mo me no, you have failed God woefully. You have failed. Munya, you have failed. Archbishop Duncan Williams, you have failed. Daddy Ward Mills, you have failed. ICGC, Otabil, me say you have failed. Munya, Bishop Samotia, Hello, the phone was saying, why Ajinasari? Uri are no one could do no suit me for Sasek one. Why I have an example? Quanchankra. Now me be meeting a Quanchankra to one way did. They got the nurse and they all to me catch on my penini said, on my penini tier contractors in Aka. Nadia Bay, when we make it tight and fantastic when you mean Tiamoka. When you mean woman, one Tiamoka. Niponia, Mutio Memu, my pony will go to a memo. How dare you people? Are they? Ghana, a growing. Sorry, yes, it's so memo. Shakatrix, yes, it's so memo. Obi no ya ni reset also what kind of time they are tossing to piano. It is most likely say they are sorry. And then you no when you messing in kanchamo, the God of the heavens is bringing a judgment onto you people. Sooner the moon hunter, the big shamo say church. Obi hidi masu say, na mo sorry am wesi so when you message or the ninja, the big shafa su say, na mo hu nyame enum nyam. What did I make sure no? Mo de nyame ma e ko say yemu. Our bishops, prophets, and pastors have become morally and spiritually contaminated. And what can we say? They have dined and wine. They have dined and wine with the goddess of Babylon. Onyame hu mobose. Onyame ohu mobo. And I'm saying, Musa Bishop Libya, Bakubi only the war, or a event say, or airport decide, well, you pump me suit. I swear God, Bishop be a new man, and I'm a prophet of Funa,
Mutu do kan no. O see a prophet is phone, prophet is phone.
That's not the Lord anointed, and do his prophet no harm. And some Fuka, and I'm Mutikan and Muti. A Krubain of the cost of the Musanqua Siadia, Muti, and then Mutikana, I yet seminar, Christian seminar, Ghana, yes, so much of seminars everywhere. But the other Sabia, and we are going to praise God, and we are going to worship God, we are going to give thanksgiving to God, and then as for and Kwasiakika, and
what did you kind of? Sir, I feel what your video no, and over so who in a year, who call me pages, you will get the video. Sir, and Kwasiakika, and our software Tigan Hayeka, and not even specification of what he is saying, you know. Insulting all men of God in Ghana here. All men of God. See, and you didn't pass yourself. This is what Annan, just because he has gotten someone who has political influence. The other time I was watching him. Master, I don't have anything to do with Kofi Oduro. Kofi Oduro issue is past and gone. We have dealt with that. Go and check my videos. I spoke about that one. That's when he came out by insulting all prophets. I came to address it. That is all. So that one is past and gone. I will not bring the past to this. This one is a present one. And minim tama or video no. So I need to address it for him to know. So what he's doing, you know, is wrong. I'm coming. Thank you. I've come back. You see, I just want to address Annan for him to know, sir. He had, say even say Kofi Oduro Mpo Kabibia. For him, he's a man of God. He's a man of God. His case is different from Anan. His case is different from Anan. Go and read the Bible. According to Numbers, Miriam and Aaron and Moses. When Moses went wrong, who corrected him? It was Miriam and Aaron. Aaron was a priest, but Miriam was not a priest. And because Moses, she took advantage of that to insult Moses together with Aaron. With them. Bible says, and God dealt with Miriam, but he did not deal with Aaron. Why? Because the office of Moses and Aaron was the same, but Miriam was not up to their office. So she was not having that guts to insult the man of God. Now, Bible say, I saw for Ghana, who made you a judge? Now, no, you said this. Anan, program no, there are certain things I'm okay on. I am man for it. You be TMO. Na a domna a TMO in Chese. Obi any Jidiamo Yanu. As we all come online to watch you, for your number of viewers to increase, does not mean say everything that you are saying there is right. Point in the say. As for no more yet or more no. Say Omanimra and Omabuswa and you are buying a new mobile. If what they are doing in their ministry is against the laws of because you take Ghana you are and it's all be born Manimra so they are. I was so Manimra no any. But in your mere you are not judge. You are not a judge. Me, sorry. The way I do my church. Let me say this. Even say I'm sorry. But he can call me to advise me. And he can't force me to do what he wants. Who made you a judge? Say the pan of more mind in Radia. Mumo money. But as long as some more mind in who are you to say, I'm going to correct them. I'm going to show may you fake ones in every more. Who told you? The fake men of God were it in the olden days, even before Jesus. Huh? God has a time for each and everybody. So we are fake. So we are genuine. Nyame wa mra di mo bia. And so be af mo man mra. Mo man mra no. Any. And stop what you are doing. The rate our corner to the point of adding all men of God and insulting men of God in Ghana here. Who was so for anybody? Who here now say more deal for no and was so for the. That is what is compelling me to answer you today. I don't talk like this. I'm very calm and cool guy. But when you see me coming boldly like this, it means you have gone beyond the mark. But let me tell you, you are going wrong. Because of your statement, I'm going to make you a program. So I'm not disputing the fact. Men of God, fake ones are there. But don't also forget that we have fake politicians in Ghana here. Fake ones. Fake MPs. We have them here. Fake MPs. Now, who Anankuya, which now say, I buy no close to all the small churches, close to churches in India. You said it, Anan. You said it on your program. That the government should close all these churches. And that is why you made mention of one-man churches. Maybe say, oh, I saw the way we are saying 2-man church. I'm sorry, I must say one-man church. Church ben a 2-man church. Huh? Church ben a 2-man church. Kobusa Roman Catholic. Kobusa Pentecost. Kobusa SDA. Apostolic. All these churches began with one man. One man started it. Methodist no more. One person. Me, I was one time a Methodist. I've been to SDA before. Come say all these churches. Say one man church, all the one. The vision of the birth of every church begins with one person. But the commencement of it, you get people to help you to move it. So you can't sit there and say one man church. Say the government should close all the one man churches. How dare you? What is one man church? And you continue by saying, Sabine close all these churches. It will not happen. Let me tell you something. Don't make a mistake. Don't take the churches for granted. Don't take the churches for granted. Because we are MPP, Guru, we are MPP, political influence. Why buy the what to mean? What I want to try here? What I want to try on the small churches you are talking about? Now I want to try here. Try it and see. Try it and see. So one man churches. What is one man church to you? How do you define one man church? What are your basis? Now you sit down to say that the government should close one man churches. Who gave you the mandate? Is it because your party is in power? Somebody is asking that why are there so many churches in Ghana? Yes, so many churches will be in Ghana because the kingdom of God must grow. Even lotto kiosks. Have you ever asked yourself, and why more sports? Why more drinking sports in Ghana? Have you ever asked yourselves? Why more churches in Ghana? Because many people need to be saved. Because the more people are opening lotto kiosks and more people are opening drinking bars, we need more churches to save them. We need more churches to save. This guy can and say all sorts of things. That the government should close the churches. Who gave you that mandate? Say, ain't me your political influence be our about also. What the young people for Montreal in the season of this campaign time, Montreal here. Come on, say these small churches, they are the very people that makes you who you are. You're sorry done. I want you to church with you. And the two and you platform number JD campaign. And you sit down telling us the church will not have any influence on the election. Try it and see. My network is becoming very bad. I pray that the network will go through. Huh? Anna? Who made you a judge? It's not being said. So small churches, we don't have influence. We have the influence. Yeah, kasa your members sit here. Church, I saw for us here, kasa your members no muti. They listen to us more than you politicians. Huh? Was it there? Was it there? Serving us with red, yellow candle. That is up to you. That is up to you. For you to sit down for somebody. They will do it because you don't even like studying the word. If you study the word of God, they will not be saving you with candles. They will not be saving you with candles. If you are well enlightened about the word of God, you will not sit down for somebody to dupe you. I'm saying that I'm not disputing the fact that false and fake men of God are not in the system. I know they are there. But it's up to you as the individual. Anything the Bible say, Bible can say, a different truth for Baba. The end time, this man will come. But when you be wise as the serpent. So if you fool about and you go and somebody tells you that I want to sleep with you before you can conceive. Now, corner for me, and then a corner bonnet catcher say, me person me no dance and when you say, now I will down myself on any would die. You would mean that to her? Huh? So in Bible, no, the reason why they are duping people and deceive, some of them are duping you and deceiving you. You don't want to study the word of God yourselves. You don't want to study. But those who study the word of God, obedient to me now. You don't want salvation to you. You don't like it. You want miracles. That is all that. Some men of God are fake. Does not mean that we don't have genuine men of God in Ghana here. We have the genuine ones, and they are more. You be very careful with your life. Don't let your days be. My network is disturbing me, but I'm praying to finish this one. The network here is very bad. I'm trying doing everything possible. Bad. This network is disturbing me, but still, I know I'll work it out. I'm working it out so that I move on. I'm working it out. I'm trying to work the network out so that it will help all of us, because I want the network to be stable. This is my response to Kofi Annan issue. Kweku Annan. I'm coming to tell you something. Just wait for me so that I change my network. Then I see how best we can move on with this. Kadoza Kabraya. It's about time, say, I saw anyone. Say, church and Kamumua. If the church and Kamumua, men can't that. People will continue to say these stupid things to the church. A man for because they are sorry not times the body of Christ. Now why in a war? Now be Jinobe can't say Archbishop. Archbishop. Bishop Achinasare. Any Bishop Mensa Otabel no more. Any Asofon Pennyfour. No more say they are fully. Who born you? Did they suffer from penny for your time? Huh? Did they suffer from penny for your time? You know what I'm saying? How many? You know what I'm saying? And how many? So, who manners are? I suffer from penny for it. You will not go about and insulting them. So what manners are? Who could be a soft penny for it to say at God bless you. So what manners are? Who could be a company for your time? Watch a video anan be dia so for Ghana so for in atem. She video anan be ye anan ye di Ghana so for penny for atem. Nasa ye ni Canada Japan whole time see be kontokwa. David. Sir, this obedient this agenda won't work. Those boys looking for other pastors to help them fight Ken won't work. People should be wise and understand Kweku Annan. Our Christian leaders need to rise up. And they need to rise up. Master, our Christian leaders need to rise up. That doesn't mean that what maybe say what would trust that way. So papa, any source of from penny for ya. Obe try be jina beka so Jimmy. Obe try be jina beka so mo yankwase afo. So papa ana osofo eka ho a. Will you come and stand there? So you Christ oni pa na oti sofo bi na yase a. Wom to over to the American yase. We are not saying say they should not say whatever they want to say, but you cannot come out to come and insult men of God like that. Listen to the video once again.
Sodom and Gomorrah.
See Sodom and Gomorrah and do Ghana, huh?
Sodom and Gomorrah home I better Ghana so long ago. Now more so for na motete na I say muhuza. Na the Yankopon se men kancha me say more so for na more you have failed God woefully. You have failed. Munya, you have failed. Archbishop Duncan Williams, you have failed. Daddy Ward Mills, you have failed. ICGC, Otabil, me say you have failed. Munya, Bishop Samotia, Hello, the phone was saying, why Ajinasari, Uria no one could do no suit waiver, Sasek one, why I have an example, Quanchankra, Nani be meeting a Quanchankra to one who you did. They got the nerves and they want to make a trauma and Benini said, or my Benini to your contractors in Naka. Nadia Bay, when we make you tight and from Tosso, when you mean Chiamoka. When you mean Miss One Chiamoka, Niponia, what your name, my pony will go to a memo. How dare you people? Are they? Ghana, you growing, Ghana, you growing. Sorry, yes, it's your memo. Cathedral say yes, it's so amazing. Obino ya ni reset. Also, what kind of time they are told to be on? It is most likely say, sorry. And then you me. No, when you're missing in Kachamo, the God of the heavens is bringing a judgment unto you people. Sooner, the Muhuta, the big Shamu sent church. Obe Hidima say, Namu sorry, I'm Moses, when you're missing, or teacher, the big Shafa say, Namu Yamianum Yam. What did I make sure? Mudi nyamema ekose yemu. Mudi nyamema ekose yemu. Our bishops, prophets, and pastors have become morally and spiritually contaminated. And what can I say? They have dined and wine. They have dined and wine with the goddess of Babylon. Onyami hu moboase. Onyami ohu mobo. And I'm saying, Musa Bishop Libya, but could be only the war or a event say, or airport decide what need your pump suit. Means slow, man, I swear God, Bishop be a new man, Ministry, animal prophet of Funa, Mucho Memoir, and was Yadia Action Mano, when you're missing in Cassantremo. You dare not. Who could we are no that's not the Lord anointed, and do his prophet no harm, and some Fuka, and a Mutikan and a Muti. A Krobay now because of Musanqua Siadia, Muti, and then Mutikana, I yet seminar, Christian seminar, Ghana, so much of seminars everywhere. But the other Sabia, and we are going to praise God, and we are going to worship God, we are going to give thanksgiving to God, and then so forth, and Quasiaka, and
Uji na okatre yese asofo keka nkwasi asem asofo ye seminars a omo keka nkwasi asem uji na ho wu obi ne tua woka ma wudidi oyonko ne archbishop oyonko ne bishop Agina Sare oyonko ene bishop Mensa Otabil oyonko ne sa asofo mpanyifo bobo mudin baby are this men of God abo brabe duru no anan wabo brabe duru ho sen na tu na wote no na tu ho na wote no wabo brabe duru sen anan kwaku anan awu be dis aso from panyifo yatam so omudi nkwasi asem omudi nkwasi ade ameka obi gina o say he's saying the truth so papa any archbishop so papa any Bishop Agina Sare mu a ubetna akasanse mfumi say it's about time for men of God, the fathers of the land, to arise. Who gave you the mandate? Kwaku Anan. See nyame say nyame shia wo hefa who shia nyame wo pa hefa. Where did you meet God? Bra be nyame no kasa ye say the dia of water. Huh? Say your young seminar, your young conference. They say your young kwasiade. Can't kwasiasem. Huh? So if sophobia koya debi, nenya, nempo, diamuti one mamokan, is that all true? Now, a sophon yenya one wagana ha. Me see, even among soldiers, when soldiers go to war, and one mistakenly mess up, sabako mistakenly, carelessly, and mess up, the soldiers, they don't leave him to the hands of their enemies. They try to find ways and means to carry him to their own camp to heal the wounds so that he will rise again and become strong. Nyagana ha. What was that? We can't silent. We can't silent. Yeah? And now, what would the baby or dear do? And no baby or dear do. He's not hitting to all the church and all pastors. Because we thought that they were hitting the right track. Huh? Nanka, and your money, oh. We know it. This thing is not new to us. We know it. But it is not our duty to go and collapse their church. It is not our duty to shut them from the work. We did not call them. It's God who called them. They are not working for men. They are working for God. And it's only God who can judge who is right and who is wrong. I'm not against the fact that you are rising against what I say. More try say, more pick them. Say, Omati or my name, Mississippi. Say, Oma go against the rules and the regulations of the nation. Then that one you can deal with them. But in the ministry aspect, you are not judged. You are not the right to judge. Judge yourself first. Judge yourself first. You don't have the guts. You don't have the right. You don't have the mandate to insult pastors in this nation. And I warn you. I warn you. Remember now, sir, when your TV shooting, I'm a man for showing. Who got TV so and don't show. And man, no man when you're proud. When you come to air, you get more people to watch you. So you become proud. Don't allow people to inhale you for you to become proud. Because as they push you to the top, your downfall can come at one time. Religion is the impediment to the progress of Ghana. You said it. And your own boss, Kennedy Japan kind, said religion is an impediment to the progress of Ghana. Huh? Maybe some more Ghana Hayati, as of for any politicians. Why they control the finances of the nation, the economy of this Ghana? Who for the control? Sir, a true officer, no minister of finance, echo parliament, echo with the budget, and he found the allocating mass of war. Sikabani ye tradima software. Sikabani ye tradima church, you know. Allocation, more chicha. I saw the day saying. And no more MPs in the control of Manisika. Or minor castle, no more control. Software by the da by come. Software by the Kubu Petro free. Software by the Tia by fee. No more MPs, no more cover. Him for the making laws for Ghana. Are you not the MP? Is it not you, the MPs, that make laws for Ghana? Huh? S Gracia. Him for the GS Gracia. 4 years in a summer. No more coach S Gracia now. So for the Dimubi. You be some. When I'm playing, so for you, trying to go Ghana. When you me in sushi bay, no what kind of animal I am player software. I must say the religion is the impediment to the progress of Ghana. It means Christianity is included. So Christosum nema impediment. Masa, Kisosom and a shape nipa for them to become better. Islam and a shape for them to become better. When they go to the mosque, they are being preached to for them to become better people for the society. Sanya Kisosom and a shape nipa. I'm a bit better. And can move nipa. Maybe so. These ghetto guys, these weed smokers, when they fall into the hands of these politicians, what do they become? What do you give them? Huh? When they fall into your hands, they become vigilante groups. You use them and give them weapons to destroy. But when they fall into the hands of the church, we give them Bible. We give them Bible to read. We make them to become ushers. We make them to become prayer warriors. And some of them tend to become pastors. But into you politicians, your hands, you use them to do whatever you want to bring chaos. Now, they are saying their blood will flow. People will die. Do they care for the people? Do they care for the nation? And you sit down there, open your mouth, condemning the church. Do you leaders, you politicians, do you care for the nation? Within 2 years, no I talk out, no them, no I see the fear. When they came to politics, but some of you, you are owing filling stations, any cars, any business, because of politics. And so be a software. Software be out there now. Now calling Papa or Parker. So what I say, now you could be MP. What to cast? What's your dining? No more so. My dream someone to us. I saw for the same man. Go and check your politicians. I don't know. We are the found crampy fear. Conversion to be the found crampy or near person for. How many of you have your MP's number? Your politicians. How many of you have their number? How many of you even can go to their house? But for us as men of God, you can come to our house at any time. Now, and the gas to come and sit there. Because when you're airtime, when you're baby, you are insulting men of God in Ghana here. Respect next time. Who need manners? I go and learn manners. At least you go to school, you train, you say. No matter what, whether he is right or wrong, we were taught to respect elders. But the rate you went, it was a disrespectful to the leaders of this, the pastoral leaders of Ghana here. Don't know. Go beyond the mark. We will not sit down and look at you for that. We will not keep quiet for that. Yes, it's true. Bishop, you said it. If God speaks to someone, it's a problem. But now God is speaking through him. God have mercy. It's true.